Hey guys, welcome back. So today I got my sew sampler from Fat Quarter Shop. So let me get a knife or something and open this up. Forgot to get ready. I was so excited that I forgot to get a knife out. Okay, let's see here. My Happy Place, October 2020. And let's see. 25% off all quilt patterns. That's the coupon we got today. And here is the little pamphlet that tells everything that's in here and what the values are. This is Courthouse Steps Quilt Block Foundation Paper, 6-inch blocks. So here's how it works. What was that? I didn't see that. Quilt size guide for 6-inch finished courthouse steps quilt blocks. Oh, I forgot my glasses. For a wall hanging, a lap quilt, large lap quilt, crib quilt, twin quilt, queen quilt, table runner, and king quilt. So there is that. Oh, I always forget this part. Making Courthouse Steps quilt blocks is so easy with Courthouse Steps foundation paper from its Sew Emma. Sorry guys, I forgot my glasses and I can't hardly see this. Okay. The 6-inch size is a terrific stash buster and works well for 1.5-inch strips and other pre-cuts. With shaded diagrams and suggested fabric cut sizes, these papers will give you accurate and adorable 6-inch blocks every time. So there is that. We got 3-pack scissors, magnet, silicone clips for scissors, paper, fabric, thread. Oh, okay. Well, here's the packaging. Here they are in the packaging. And okay, let's see if I can get it open. So there's no need to get snippy about your fabric scissors with the help of Scissor ID magnet silicone clips. With 3 tags labeled as fabric, paper, and thread, simply snap these clips around the appropriate scissors. Simply snap these clips around the appropriate scissor handles to prevent dulled scissor blades. That's a good idea. Because, let's see here. Oh, my other one's upstairs. My other one's upstairs. Oh, I have 2 of these identical scissors. My other one's upstairs. I just sharpened them. So that's what would be great for these because I use one for crafts and one for sewing. So we can do, this one's actually going to be my craft one. So they're sticking together. There you go. Fabric, paper, and thread. And then the other side has a picture of fabric, paper, and thread. So we want the paper one for this. So see, it's like a sheet of paper. It says paper. You pull it open. And put it right around it. So that's going to be great because like I said, I have 2 of these, one for my crafts and one for my sewing. And my crafts and sewing is like, I turn my chair around and that's my sewing center. So now I won't get them mixed up. Okay. Oh, I didn't read this. Oh, I forgot the other thing too. Oh my gosh. So I didn't sleep at all last night, so I'm not even thinking right. So it says the retail value of the Scissor ID magnetic silicone clips is $8.98. The 6-inch Courthouse Steps quilt block retail value is $8.98. have pattern. Oh, there's something else down here hiding in here. So this is Creative Grids. I don't know if let me set it on here. Maybe you can see it here. It's got like the end there, and it's got slits in here. So it says the Creative Grids 9-inch seam guide tool makes diagonal seams a cinch. Use this 1/2-inch wide drawing tool to quickly mark the center and sew lines you need to make half square triangle units from 2 fabric squares. Oh, that's cool. Mark through the slots with any pencil and sew 1/4 inch on each side of the tool. Oh, retail value $5.99. That's pretty cool. Okay, and we got the Greatest Hits fabric square album quilt, track number 7. Here it is. Okay, it says hit all the right notes with the Greatest Hits album quilt dedicated. Dedicate this quilt to the most impactful individuals. All the greatest hits in your life with this album quilt. With each unique sampler block record a memory of someone special to keep it on replay. Retail value $4.98. Okay, and then we got the La Sista quilt pattern. That's cute. Okay, Fat Quarter Shop exclusively for Sew Sampler Box. Welcome to the coolest little casita around. The sweet little casita quilt is built for 6-inch courthouse steps, which you can make with the Petite Paintbox Basics Layer Cake and 6-inch courthouse steps foundation paper included in this month's box. With 2 size options, pick the version that best suits your own casa. Retail value for the pattern is $9.98. So that will make, this here will make this. That's cool. Okay. And now the cute fabric. Look at those little mushrooms. Okay. Elizabeth Hartman Petite Paint Box, 20 pieces. It says these Paint Box Basics by Elizabeth Hartman for Robert Kaufman are ready to color you happy. This petite set of 10-inch squares revisits popular prints from Elizabeth's past collections, dripping in a wide palette of colors for you to play with, from bold spices to muted neutrals. Retail value is $18.98. Open this. Oh, I should just do it well. I'll just tape it. I like to keep these together because I don't know when I'm going to get to them. Because like I'm just now starting on a table runner from October of last year. Let me clarify that. Last year's table runner quilt box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay. That's really cute. See if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, that is everything today. I really like the fabric. Of course, there really hasn't been any fabric from Fat Quarter Shop that I haven't liked. I love the colors, the palettes that they always have. Everything's so colorful. That's why I keep getting it, even though I don't get much done. Because I just love the colors, and when I have time, then I can work on something. So we have the fabric, we have the pattern, we have another pattern, we have the foundation blocks, the ID, magnets, and the Creative Grids ruler thingy. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.